Uh-oh, the angry toolbox. Oh, he's strapping up, dude. Oh, no. First the vacuum cleaner, now the angry toolbox.
Oh, what do we do?
If you're just tuning in, this is the second boss of the game, and I died.
Oh, wait. I think I could, I see. I think I have to pin the nails on him, and you gotta swing over and, like, hit him with the hammer.
Watch the nails. Oh.
Oh, fuck.
I don't know what I was trying to do there.
Like, I gotta do that. Oh, I pinned him.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Alright.
I don't know what you hit. Oh, shit, I fell.
I'm here, and now... Oh, I gotta bust the locks. Oh, I got it. Uh-oh.
Watch out. What the fuck? He's gonna flip you.
Oh, okay, and now we just gotta do it again. Oh, he's angry now. He's pulling out the power tools. Uh-oh. Watch out.
Oh, shit.
Watch
Oh, shit, nails.
Oh, wow, this is gonna get tough.
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. What that bullshit?
What kind of power tool is this? Oh, no.
Oh, jeez. That's tough. Oh, man, I hope we don't... Ah, it's from the beginning.
We got this. There you go. Pin those nails. There you go.
Oh, fuck.
Ah. It's alright.
Oh, it just did that by itself. It wasn't me.
Okay.
Really? Hold on.
Bust him, die.
Bust him.
Bust him.
Alright, this part's hard. I gotta figure out what we gotta do for this. See if there's a... Oh. See if there's somewhere I can pin, like, hit him with a nail or something.
Nothing yet. Oh, shit.
That friggin' again? That's... that frickin' blade got me.
It's alright, yeah. It doesn't let you bust them both in the same shot. Like,
yeah, that's looking. I just gotta stay away from that freaking blade when it comes out.
Yeah.
I think when it goes to the middle, right here,
Yep,
watch out for
right
the blade's gonna come out.
There you go. It's rotating us, so... Oh, shit. Come on.
That's tough. Okay, something's gotta happen soon.
Alright, same thing, I think.
Okay, here he goes.
Get ready to
Wait.
pin him.
He's
Jump
gonna do
over
that.
his
Ready?
arm.
Here
Yep.
we go. Okay.
There you go. I'm ready.
Oh shit, I missed it.
Oh!
I missed. Can you do it? Or is it too late?
I don't know.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, my bad.
Oh,
no.
So close.
Sorry.
It's alright.
Alright, we're good. We're good. Watch out, the blade's coming out. Blade's coming out. Once you get past this part, then it's the same shit.
Yeah. We got
The
this.
nail stuck in a bad place. It didn't, it went like sideways.
It should only take another, like, few
Yeah,
shots
right.
of the lock, and I think I busted it off. So.
Alright, here we go. Let's see. Get ready. Alright. Hold on. Boom. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we got. You got this shit.
Bam, bam, bam. Come on. Get it, get it. Yes, got it.
Oh god, he has another. Oh, you got it. The hell?
That's gotta hurt.
Uh-oh. It's not over with. Oh, no. You might have to hit the top. It looked like a target
right.
at the top, yeah.
What the?
Oh, shit. What?
Whoa. You're good, you're good, you're good. Okay. Watch the shadow.
Stay away.
What the fuck? Oh, he's like, he wants you.
Yeah, bad. Am I supposed to get on top of
hit
it?
that with the hammer, that part. Right here, the yellow part,
Oh, get on it. Get on it.
Okay. Oh, fuck. Go. Oh, fuck.
Okay.
Alright.
Now we know. Alright.
What the hell?
Could you shoot it?
Can I shoot that? Nah, it's moving too fast.
He was taking a rest. Oh.
Oh, do it again. Okay, go.
Did you get somewhere?
Okay. Alright, I got it. I hit it a bunch of times. It's like halfway done.
Okay. Oh!
Oh shit, watch the saws too. Watch the saw blade. Oh my god, the saw's cutting off. Oh no. Oh Jesus.
It's getting small.
Alright, it has to be the end soon. Oh, watch nailed.
We're almost
gee.
there. We
Whoa,
got it.
whoa.
Oh no, we were on the wrong one.
I'll try to stay alive. We're good. Just avoid this shit. Oh god, and I died. Hold on, stay alive. Oh, there we go.
No,
Oh shit.
you. Come on.
Hurry up. Come on, hit it, hurry up. Oh no. It's alright.
Well, it can't get much smaller here.
Yeah, it's true.
Like,
Oh, never mind.
it is now. Oh no.
What the hell? Watch out.
There's not many places.
No. There you go. Up. Come on.
Oh, alright, we got this.
Oh jeez. There you go.
This ready?
Go.
Bam. Do you think, Vinny?
Come on, one more. Nah, I need one more hit. Fuck.
Okay. Yeah, it should be coming back, I think.
This is the last one. Last hit. Watch it. Whoa.
Oh no!
Hold on.
It's okay. Stay up. I'm coming. Ready?
There we go.
Nice. Take that, Toolbox. Oh, all these happy tools.
Ready for this?
Look, they're repairing themselves. It's like Toy Story.
Tool story.
Yeah.
Thank you. I feel brand new. Look at me. I'm whole.
Not gonna lie, my heart was pumping a little bit on that one.
Yeah, that was
Rust and tool.
had me going.
Thank you, May. You are a true hero.
Oh, thank you, Hannah.
Hey, what about me? Huh? I was part of this too. Where's my hero love? Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to Rose.
Oh, of course. Sebastian, can you help them out? They have to get to the other side.
Flexible.
Step on board.
Really?
Okay, you sure?
Come on, it's safe.
Okay. Ooh.
This doesn't feel safe. I'm not sure.
Just relax.
Okay.
Don't worry, he's very precise. Sebastian, sling it.
here?
Stuckness. It's a mental construct. If you stare at closed door, you will miss one that's open.
FYI, there is only one door in this shed.
And one window.
Good thinking, man. Woo! Let's go to the window. Woo!
Book is out.